Hi guys! With this video, we will be completing the series of most commonly asked 50 interview questions in C#. Stay tuned and please go through the entire video to get an insight to it. What are generics in C#? Generic is a class that allows the user to define classes and methods with the placeholder. Generics were added to version 2.0 of the C# language. The basic idea behind using generic is to allow type, integer, string, etc., and user-defined types to be a parameter to methods, classes, and interfaces. A primary limitation of collections is the absence of effective type checking. This means that you can put any object in a collection because all classes in the C# programming language extend from the object-based class. This compromises type safety and contradicts the basic definition of C# as a type-safe language. In addition, using collections involves a significant performance overhead in the form of implicit and explicit typecasting that is required to add or retrieve objects from a collection. What is boxing and unboxing in C#? Boxing and unboxing is an important concept in C#. C# type system contains three data types: value types, int, char, etc., reference types, object, and pointer types. Basically, it converts a value type to a reference type, and vice versa. Boxing and unboxing enable a unified view of the type system in which a value of any type can be treated as an object. Boxing in C# is the process of converting a value type, char, int, etc., to a reference type. Object is called boxing. Boxing is an implicit conversion process in which object type, supertype, is used. The value type is always stored in stack. The reference type is stored in heap. Unboxing in C# is the process of converting the reference type into the value type is known as unboxing. It is an explicit conversion process. What is a hash table class in C#? The hash table class represents a collection of key value pairs that are organized based on the hash code of the key. This class comes under the system.collections namespace. The hash table class provides various types of methods that are used to perform different types of operations on the hash tables. In hash table, keys are used to access the elements present in the collection. For very large hash table objects, you can increase the maximum capacity to 2 billion elements on a 64-bit system. Why a private virtual method cannot be overridden in C#? Because private virtual methods are not accessible outside the class. Write a features of generics in C#. Generics is a technique that improves your programs in many ways, such as it helps you encode reuse, performance, and type safety. You can create your own generic classes, methods, interfaces, and delegates. You can create generic collection classes. The .NET Framework class library contains many new generic collection classes in system.collections. Generic namespace. You can get information on the types used in generic data types at runtime. Difference between sorted list and sorted dictionary in C#. Sorted list is a collection of key value pairs that are sorted according to keys. By default, this collection sorts the key value pairs in ascending order. It is of both generic and non-generic types of collection. Sorted dictionary is a generic collection that is used to store the key value pairs in the sorted form, and the sorting is done on the key. What is the difference between dispose and finalize methods? The main difference between both methods is that dispose method is used to release the unmanaged resources of an object, while finalize is also used for the same purpose, but it doesn't guarantee the garbage collection of an object. Another major difference is that dispose method is explicitly invoked by the user, and finalize method is invoked by the garbage collector, just before the object is destroyed. What is the difference between array and array list? An array is a group of like-typed variables that are referred to by a common name. Array list represents an ordered collection of an object that can be indexed individually. It is basically an alternative to an array. Below are the major differences. What is inheritance? Does C# support multiple inheritance? Inheritance means acquiring some of the properties from a master class. C# doesn't support multiple inheritances. Instead, you can use interfaces to inherit the properties using the class name in the signature. What are the differences between ref, and out keywords. C. Ref keywords pass arguments by reference and not value. To use the ref keyword, you need to explicitly mention ref. CB's out keywords pass arguments within methods and functions. Out keyword is used to pass arguments in a method as a reference to return multiple values. Although it is the same as the ref keyword needs to be initialized before it is passed. Here, the out and ref keywords are useful when we want to return a value in the same variables that are passed as an argument. This completes the series. Hope you had a great time learning. Best of luck for your search. At last, don't miss to hit like, share, and subscribe to support this channel.